Hi, I'm Tess.
And I'm Mike, aka Grumpy. And over here, just get him, this little man. This is Murphy, aka Little Grumpy. Hey, mate.
So we're going to share our travels.
Cut. Cut. Okay.
No, I don't know what I was going to say.
So I might just say that again. So recently we purchased the Avida Birdsville motorhome. We previously had a little Renault Master type van motorhome, but we just wanted something a little bit bigger with its own shower and those types of things. And we've also set ourselves up with a little Jimny for a tow vehicle. So our team now is the motorhome, Wanda, and our little Jiminy we've named him Jimmy. So our team is Tess, Grumpy, little Grumpy Murphy, and Wanda and Jimmy.
So we're looking forward to sharing our travels and adventures with you. We're not fully retired as yet, so there's going to be some smaller trips and then hopefully some big ones as we look towards retirement, because Mike's turning 60 this year. So
the big 60. Also, I'm always I'm one of those people who gets in and pretty much does everything from a handyman perspective. So I will be sharing little things that I do with Wanda and Jimmy, and any conversions that we do. I'll tend to tackle those myself. It's a big money saver, but I enjoy doing it. So I will share some of those things as we go along our journey going forward. And I guess as you watch these films, if there's stuff that you like, we'd love you to subscribe. We're probably going to take a little bit different approach with I guess what I've seen other vloggers do, or getting the right term, but we will try to, particularly parks and maybe some of the hospitality facilities, we'll try to do some interviews with them so we can get first-hand feedback, try to ask some standard questions so that we can, I guess, identify for you what they see as the places, the things to see and do around those areas, and we'll do our best to do some or all of those things, but we'll look forward to having you join us along the way.
Right, so we've got our little kitchen set up here, nice and compact. Your gas cooktop with one electric element at the back there, and a grill. We haven't got the full oven, but that allows us to have more storage, and there is plenty of storage in this motorhome. Over this side you've got our little dinette, so that's nice and spacious area for the two of us. We've also got the extra seat belts here for passengers if you've got some extra passengers along the way. And then over to the bed area, nice good sized bed with the slide out, that's giving us heaps more room. And then you've got your wardrobe space here, still lots of cupboard space. You've got your TV popped away in there.
And that also comes right out on the swing arm.
Yep, that can pull out. You can turn it around to watch from down there. And then here we've got our little bathroom. It's got its own door as well. I might let Mike go through there. Separate shower to toilet and vanity area. And then in here we've got our little washing machine as well.
So that's also a self-install that I've done. So I will run through that a little bit later for people who want to do the same.
Yeah, so that's a pretty good sized bathroom. And then we go back down towards the driving cabin, and you'll see that we've got the full-size fridge here with the microwave. Our seats here, we can walk straight through to the cabin. These seats swivel, so you can add them to your seating area. In the back here, we've installed an extra privacy curtain across the top. We do have privacy screens for the windows, but we've just put this in as an added extra as well. And you've got more storage here as well. So yeah. Well, that's the end of our first little introduction episode, and hopefully you'll follow us along our travels.
And next week we've booked a slot in at the Ferns Hideaway, which is up in the Byfield National Park. We're in central Queensland, so that's nice and close for us, and we thought it would be a good little first little foray. The lovely Anna there has agreed to have a chat with us while we're there, so we look forward to bringing you that episode. So from us now.
All right, we'll see you then.